crypto market analysis and pre-trade strategy. First up today we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin I saw setting up. First we'll come up to the 15-minute chart here. First I saw Bitcoin setting up here at the R3 Camarilla pivot level. Here at the R3 level. My trade idea is an R3 to an S3 traverse. This is the S3 level down here. S3. So an R3 to an S3 traverse here on the 15-minute chart. Now we'll go down here to the 4-hour chart. And I've taken two positions here on the 4-hour chart and taken two positions here on the 15-minute chart. And I'll go over the positions really quickly. So down here on the 4-hour chart, we'll zoom in and we can see price action or recent price action. This being the previous strong low right here, and then up here being the weak high from a structural perspective. And then we can also see quite a large move was made from down in this price range here. But I'm mostly or only interested in the most recent price action here on the 4-hour, and this has set a range here on the high side of the range and the low side of the price range, and this is the area that I want to focus on with today's price action on Bitcoin. So within this range, that's what we're seeing here in this range here. So here on the 4-hour, my profit target is going to be the low of this candle here, and ideally getting in at the edges of the range is how I like to trade, getting in and getting out at the edges of the ranges, trying to avoid these areas if at all possible. And I'll give you a look at my targets here. See, I'm also in this quite a bit early. My level of patience is almost non-existent from a day-to-day basis, but ideally I would want to wait until the market open in New York, the New York Open, before taking any positions. But with Bitcoin, I saw setting up over the course of the night, or let's say during the course of the Asian range of trading, the Asian market open, and it's kind of just hung around since then. So we'll see how it goes, or I may get stopped out here. Just got stopped out of Ethereum. Definitely in that way too early. In Bitcoin early as well, but Bitcoin just won't quit. So it seems like Bitcoin is just determined to stay in position to potentially sell off today. So I'll keep an eye on it. And since the Ethereum position just came off, I'm not sure if I'll get back into it, but I will. I may put more size onto Bitcoin, or may potentially get back into Ethereum. I'll show you the problems I was seeing with Ethereum setting up, and we'll walk through that after we get done here. But then we'll come up here to the 15-minute chart, and we can see my entries from the Asian range right here. And my positions have held. These entries were a bit early and chased. I wasn't sure if there was going to be a trade here in the during the Asian range, or things were just setting up here. for an opportunity for the New York trading range. But this is my stop loss here based off of this candle here. And we can see it's been tested a few times and has held up here, here, and here. So this stop loss is holding up pretty well here. This is the low here, and this is the high here that correlate with this low here and this high right here. So this is the range. Normally I would like to, or normally I'm used to seeing, let's say a few different price levels in here, but this is set a large range early in the trading day here, in the crypto trading day, right before the Asian range here. This set this range in, and it's just been trading in this range, but it seems like it's been unable to close above the R3 level here. It's been able to, or it's managed to do it here in these areas to close above, but this level here still holding. So if we can maintain this level, I may look for an additional entry. Now would be reasonable as well, but I want to hold up until the open of the U.S. market, until volume comes in, before I get too excited again and start trading well before I need to. And then let's come over and take a look at Ethereum. Actually, and these are the positions that I added here in the pre-market for the New York Open. Again, premature. I may pay for this as I just paid for the Ethereum losses, but we'll keep an eye on it and see how this goes over the course of the trading day. But so far so good. Bitcoin trading at the R3 level for several hours now. So we'll hopefully we'll get some continuation here with the sell-off. And now we'll go over to Ethereum, which Ethereum seems to have likely just stopped me out here. I'll show you what I'm seeing and why I may take another entry on this. I believe this ICT-wise may be a phrase like a turtle soup, where it stops everybody out and then makes the sell-off. But you can see here, actually, let's take these off for now. Okay, so we've got a range here that's set. Let's see. Here, this range is high. This is here. Okay. All right, that's there. So this is what we're looking at here with this range here in this area. Ethereum is setting up a little tricky, but that's usually how Ethereum goes. What I'm seeing here, this being the last low here, with this being the high, but with this candle here, this doesn't close. This closes at 1645.10, and the high of this is 1645.33. So this candle can't be the high. We'll use this one here as the previous high here. Yeah, so this will be the range that I'll use here. So this being the previous week high, this being the new low here, or potentially you can make this here the low. Actually, let's back up and see if it closes below, and we'll find out if this is the new low or not. No, it doesn't close below there, even though it's not the most recent, but I'm going to move this up to here. change the range up a little bit, tighten it up. But yeah, I'll call this the range here on the 4 hour. And then up here on the 15-minute, I'll show you what had me get overexcited and jump into this trade. So this right here being today's date here, this being the low here, and I believe this up here, this is the high up here. So we're seeing this here with this new high here closing above this previous high, this being the new strong low on the micro level. Let's call the 4 hour the macro and the 15 the micro from a structural perspective. We can see here this sets a tight range here in this area, but then we can see here there's a market structure shift that happens right here during this sell-off. But the issue or the issue that I have with this particular price action is that it sold off here, but there was no follow-through or continuation here before pullback. So this always gives me cause for concern anytime I'm trading any currency pairs that pull back before giving any continuation or follow through to a market structure shift. So I definitely went in early, also needing to wait for the US Open in order to take positions so that volume can come in. Without volume, you're pretty much at the whim of market forces or market makers. So hopefully I can keep my patience under control, which will keep my P&L under control. So with these market structure shifts, seeing these and getting excited, even now I want to take a small piece to see if things will hold up with this new high here, just to get in early. Hopefully I'll have the patience to hold out here. But this is what I'm seeing today in the market. There's been buying since the open of the crypto market. And then what I'm seeing here today is potential for a sell-off, with this being the R3 Camarilla pivot here and the S3 Camarilla pivot here. So with this trading in this range, sitting above the R3 level would be an ideal place to catch a trade anywhere in here before the buying pressure starts to come in with any price action that will get near the R3 level, which is usually why I'm impatient with trying to get in early, just trying to position myself. But positioning yourself does you no good if you don't have follow through or the volume to make the trade. So hopefully I will be able to sit tight and see if an opportunity presents itself, or if I get in early and see if that holds. But with the way Bitcoin is looking P&L wise, I may be out of Bitcoin finally. We'll see how it goes. Let's take a look back at it. Yeah, it's headed back up near my stops here. So we'll see how it goes here this morning. But yeah, this is the live crypto market analysis for today. This is on Tilt Trading, and we'll see.